Hello friends, my name is Priyavrat Mishra and you all are watching me on your favorite channel Ulta Soul. My dear friends, ଆଜି ଆମେ the portrait of a lady ର MCQ ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି. This is very important ଯେ ଆଜିର ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଦେଖିବ ଏକ୍ଜାମ ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ନେସେସରି ଅଛି. So portrait of lady ର ଯୋଉ MCQ ଅଛି ଏଟା ହଉଛି ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଟୁ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଏକ୍ଜାମ ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ କହି ରଖୁଛି କି ଆଜି ଆମେ around 40 more than 40 question ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା ତ ବିଳମ୍ବ କରିବା ନାହିଁ ଯିବା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ କୁ who is the author of the who is the author of the portrait of a lady ଥିଲେ author ନା ରସ୍କିନ୍ ବଣ୍ଡ ଖୁଶୱନ୍ତ ସିଂ ନେପାଳ ଆଉ ବିକ୍ରମ ଭଟ୍ଟ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରିବି ନିଜ ନିଜର ଆନ୍ସର ଆପଣମାନେ କମେଣ୍ଟ ବକ୍ସରେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଏଭାଲୁଏଟ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟକୁ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ କେତେ ରହିଲା ସୋ ଏଠି ହବ ଖୁଶୱନ୍ତ ସିଂ ହଉଛି ପ୍ରଥମ नेक्स्ट है हु इज द मेन कैरेक्टर ऑफ द चैप्टर द पोर्ट्रेट ऑफ ए लेडी एथर मेन कैरेक्टर किए पोर्ट्रेट ऑफ ए लेडी जो चैप्टर अछि तार मेन कैरेक्टर किए मदर ना सिस्टर ना ग्रैंड मदर ना डॉटर लेडी मीन्स एठी ग्रैंड मदर को कुहा होची ताले एठी हबो ग्रैंड मदर हाउ डिड द ग्रैंडफादर इन द पोर्ट्रेट हंग ऑन द वॉल लुक लाइक केमति देखा जाउतले ओल्ड लॉन्ग व्हाइट बियर्ड और बिग टर्बान ना old skinny wrinkly young handsome well built old well built answer ଲେଖିସାରିଣି ଅନେକ already ମୁଁ ବି mention କରୁଛି ଏ ହବ old long white beard own big turban right next question ku ଯିବା the next question is how did the grandmother look କୋଭଳି ଦେଖା ଯାଉଥିଲେ old fat long long fat slightly bent old short slightly bent fat slightly bent fat प्रथम कथा से old थिले short थिले slightly bent थिले ଆଉ fat थिले ये गला प्रथम चारोटी क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जीवा हम माने क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 when did the author's parents leave him with his grandmother केतेबेले छाडिले ऑथर को पेरेंट ତାଙ୍କର ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡମଦର ଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ when he was a kid ଯେତେବେଳେ ଛୋଟ ପିଲା ଥିଲେ when he was an infant ଯେତେବେଳେ ମାନେ ପୁରା infant ଥିଲେ teenager when he failed and become a teenager ସେତେବେଳେ ଛୋଟ ପିଲା ଥିଲେ when he was a kid ଏଟା କ୍ଲାସ୍ କରିବା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସି ସହିତ ଦେଖିବେ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ମୋ ହିସାବରେ 5 ନମ୍ବର ଏ ହେଉଛି ଆନ୍ସର which animal did the grandmother use to kid in the village କୋଉ animal କୁ ପଶୁକୁ ଖୁଆଉଥିଲେ grandmother dogs cows sparrows ଆଉ cats ଆପଣମାନେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଭିଲେଜ ଡଗ୍ ମାନଙ୍କୁ କହୁଥିଲେ ତାହେଲେ ଡଗ୍ ସବୁ what did the author eat before breakfast eat for breakfast sorry breakfast ରେ କ'ଣ ଖାଉଥିଲେ thick and stale chapati with a little butter and sugar spread in it next is thick bread with butter ତାପରେ ହେଲା ଉପମା ତାପରେ ହେଲା rice and curd ଏଠି ହବ answer thick and stale chapati ମୋଟା ବାସି ରୁଟି ଯୋଉଥିରେ ବଟର ଟିକେ ପକେଇକି ବଟର ଆଉ ସୁଗାର ପଡିଥିଲା ରାଇଟ୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ କୁ ଯିବା why would grandmother accompany the author to his school କାହିଁକି grandmother authorଙ୍କ ସହିତ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଉଥିଲେ to keep an eye on him ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଜଗିବା ପାଇଁ to wait for him to take him back to home ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରୁଥିଲେ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଘରକୁ ଆଣିବା ପାଇଁ फेरेबा ପାଇଁ because of the temple attached to school she wanted to meet pleasure ଏଠି ହବ आंसर ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସି ଟା ହବ ଯେହେତୁ ଟେମ୍ପଲ ଟା ଆଟାଚ ଥିଲା ସ୍କୁଲ ସହିତ where were the parents of the author କୋଉଠି ଥିଲେ ଅଥରଙ୍କର parent abroad city other village other state abroad ରେ ଥିଲେ ନା city ରେ ଥିଲେ ନା other village ରେ ଥିଲେ ନା other state ରେ ଥିଲେ ଏଠି ହବ ସେ city ରେ ଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ବାପା ମା କୋଉଠି ଥିଲେ ନା ସିଟିରେ ରାଇଟ୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ କୁ ଯିବା ନେକ୍ସଟ ଇଜ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଉଡ୍ ଦ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡମଦର ଡୁ ଇନ୍ ଦ ଟେମ୍ପଲ ଅନ୍ ଏ ଡେଲି ବେସିସ୍ ଟେମ୍ପଲରେ ଜେଜେମା କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲେ ମେଡିଟେସନ ରିଡ୍ ସ୍କ୍ରିପ୍ଚର୍ସ ସିଂ ରିଲିଜିୟସ୍ ପ୍ରେୟାର୍ସ ଟିଚ୍ ଅଦର କିଡ୍ସ ରିଲିଜିୟସ୍ ପ୍ରେୟାର ଆନ୍ସର କ'ଣ ହବ ଆପଣମାନେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ଇଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ବି ରିଡ୍ ସ୍କ୍ରିପ୍ଚର୍ସ ରାଇଟ୍ 10ଟା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଆମେ ଆନ୍ସର କଲେ ଆହୁରି 30-35ଟା ଆମେ କରିବା ହାଫ୍ ପେସେନ୍ସ ଏନ୍ଜୟ କରନ୍ତୁ ନିଜର ଠିକ୍ ଭୁଲକୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କେତେଟା ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ହେଲାଣି ଆଉଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ 10 put it in the comment box. What was the turning point of the friendship between grandmother and author? Grandmother ଆଉ authorଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ friendship ର turning point କୋଉଠି ଥିଲା? When he became an adult. B ହେଲା when his parents called them both to the city. When he left her to live in the city with his parents. When they stopped talking. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନେ କଥା ହେବା ବନ୍ଦ କଲେ ନା ଏଠି ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଆଡଲ୍ଟ ହେଲେ ଏଇଠି ହବ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ବିଟା ହବ when his parents called them both to the city. ସିଟି ଗଲାଠୁ ହିଁ ତାଙ୍କର ଟର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା। କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ନମ୍ବର 12 କୁ ଯିବା where did the author go to study in the city? English school, in motor bus, by walking down to nearby school, Hindi school, nowhere. English school ଯାଉଥିଲେ on a motor bus, in a motor bus. English school in a motor bus. Question number 13. What made the grandmother unhappy about the author's new English school? New English school ରେ authorଙ୍କର କୋଉଟା grandmother କୁ unhappy ଦୁଃଖୀ କରୁଥିଲା? The fact that she could no longer help him with the lessons because they were in the city, because he did not understand English, because he did not understand English and could no longer help him with the lessons. ଇଂଲିଶ ବୁଝି ପାରୁନଥିଲେ ଏ ଆଉ ଡି ଭିତରେ ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ହିଁ ହବ ପ୍ରଥମଟା the fact that she could not no longer help him with the lesson. Okay, ଇଂଲିଶ ପାଇଁ ନୁହଁ ଅନେକ ଅଦର ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ବି ଥିଲା। Why did not the grandmother like music? କାହିଁକି ମ୍ୟୁଜିକ କୁ ପସନ୍ଦ କରୁନଥିଲେ? A. It's a monopoly of harlots and beggars and not meant for gentlefolk. Liked only religious prayer. B. C. She liked the traditional folk music. D. She thought it would distract him from study. ନା ଏଟା ହବ ଏଟା ହବ it was the monopoly. ଏଟା ହଉଛି harlot ଆଉ beggar ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଭଦ୍ର ପିଲାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ମ୍ୟୁଜିକ ନୁହେଁ। Now question number 15. How did the grandmother spend her time in the city? ଏଠିରେ କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ ସମୟ ବିତାଉଥିଲେ? Feeding dog, କୁକୁରଙ୍କୁ ଖୋଇକି, reading scripture, spinning the wheel, talking to neighbor. So ଏଠି ହବ C, spinning the wheel. Next ଯିବା how did the grandmother spend her afternoon every day? କେମିତି afternoon ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଦିନ spend କରୁଥିଲେ? Option A, by feeding hundreds of sparrows, by taking a nap, ଶୋଇକି, by talking to author's mother, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମା ସହିତ ଗପିକି, ନା by going to temple. ଏଠି ହବ by feeding hundreds of sparrows. What happened when the author moved abroad to study for 5 years? ଯେତେବେଳେ 5 ବର୍ଷ ପାଇଁ ପଢିବାକୁ ଗଲେ କଣ ହେଲା? Grandmother bid goodbye by silently kissing his forehead. No one came to see him. Grandmother moved back to village. Parents moved with him. Grandma ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୁଡ୍ ବାଏ କହିଲେ ଚୁପଚାପ ତାଙ୍କ ଫୋरहेଡରେ କରିକି। Now, number 18. What change came in the grandmother's evening schedule? Evening schedule ରେ କଣ changes ଘଟିଥିଲା? Collected the women of the neighborhood. Okay. She would go for a walk. She would sleep early. She would talk to his parents. ଏଇଟା neighborhood ର women ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଡକେଇଥିଲେ। What happened when the question number 19, my dear friends? What happened when the grandmother did not pray for the first time? ଯେତେବେଳେ grandmother pray କଲେନି କଣ ହେଲା? She fell ill the next day. ତାପର ଦିନ ଅସୁସ୍ଥ ହେଲେ। She made this her routine. ଏଟାକୁ ତାଙ୍କ routine କଲେ। She took a break and went to the village. ଗାଁକୁ ଗଲେ ନା none of the above. ଏଠି ହବ ଅସୁସ୍ଥ ହୋଇଗଲେ। She fell ill next day. Now question number 20. How did the grandmother react to her illness? ତାଙ୍କ illness କୁ she କିଭଳି react କଲେ? She said her end was near. She ignored her health. She took care of her. She was admitted to the hospital. Answer ହବ A. ସେ କହିଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ଶେଷ ସମୟ ଆସିଗଲାଣି. She said her end was near. Now question number 21. What did the grandmother do in her final hours? ଶେଷ ସମୟରେ କଣ କଲେ? Talk to everyone in the house. ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ସହିତ କଥା ହେଲେ। Worried about everyone. ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହେଲେ। Silently praying and telling her beads. Went to temple. Answer ହବ C. Silently praying and telling her beads. 22. How did the grandmother die? କେମିତି ମରିଗଲେ? During telling beads, lying on the bed, in the hospital, while sleeping, none of the above. ये वो answer. चुपचाप ଯେତେବେଳେ ବେଡ୍ରେ ଲାଗିକି ଥିଲେ ପ୍ରେୟାର କରୁଥିଲେ. How did the sparrows express their sorrow at the death of their grandmother? ସ୍ପାରୋ ମାନେ କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଦୁଃଖକୁ ପରିପ୍ରକାଶ କରୁଥିଲେ? They did not come, ସେଦିନ ଆସିଲା ନାହିଁ. They came and sat silently in the veranda, ଆସିକି ଚୁପଚାପ ବସିଲେ. They ate the bread crumbs, ମା ଯୋଉଟା ଫୋପାଡ଼ିଲେ ତାକୁ ଖାଇଲେ. They chirruped a lot, ବହୁତ ଚିରୁପିଂ କଲେ. ଏଠି ହବ B. They came and sat silently in the veranda. What happened when they took the grandmother's cups away? ଯେତେବେଳେ ନେଇଗଲେ ତାଙ୍କର କପ୍କୁ କ'ଣ ହେଲା? Neighbors visited them to pay condolence. They mourned her death in her room. Birds flew away quietly. Nothing happened. सीटा birds माने चुपचाप पळेई गले. Now, question number 25. How do you feel about the character of the grandmother in the chapter? କୋଉ ଭଳିଆ ତୁମକୁ କେମିତି ଫିଲ୍ ହଉଛି? ଇମୋସନାଲ ନା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ନା ସେଲ୍ଫଲେସ୍ ନା ଲଭିଂ? ଦେଖ ଇମୋସନାଲ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ତ ନୁହଁ, ସେଲ୍ଫଲେସ୍ ଆଉ ଲଭିଂ ଭିତରୁ ଲଭିଂ ଟିକେ ବେଶୀ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ ଯେହେତୁ ବାର୍ଡ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ପାଇବା ଦେଖିଛେ. Where was the author's grandfather's portrait placed? କୋଉଠି ଅଥରଙ୍କର ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡଫାଦରଙ୍କର ପୋର୍ଟ୍ରେଟଟା ରଖା ହେଇଥିଲା? On a shelf, hung above the mantelpiece, put on the mantelpiece, on a table. B. Hung above the mantelpiece. Did the author bother to learn the morning prayer that his grandmother recited? ସେ ଶିକ୍ଷା ପାଇଁ ଉଦ୍ୟତ କହୁଥିଲେ କି ଯୋଉ ମର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ପ୍ରେୟାର ଯୋଉଟା କି ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡମା ଇଏ କରୁଥିଲେ, ରିସାଇଟ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ? Yes. ହଁ. He listened but did not bother to learn. He could not learn. No. He listened but did not bother to learn. କାହିଁକି ଶୁଣୁଥିଲେ? Because ତାଙ୍କୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଜେଜେମାଙ୍କ ଭଏସ୍ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ. When was their common link of friendship snapped? When he went to college, when he went to university, they were given separate room. When he started working, when he went abroad. ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଥିବା common linkଟା କେତେବେଳେ snap ହେଇଗଲା? ଯେତେବେଳେ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଗଲେ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା ରୁମ୍ ଦିଆଗଲା. ସେପାରେଟ୍ ସ୍ପେଲିଂ ଭୁଲ ଅଛି, SEPARAT. Now, question number 29. What was grandmother's reaction when the author was going abroad? happy ଥିଲେ ଯେତେବେଳେ author abroad ଗଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ରିଆକ୍ସନ୍ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? happy, sad, ଟିକେ ହେଲେ ବି sentimental ହେଲେନି? sentimental. ଟିକେ ହେଲେ ବି sentimental ହେଲେ ନାହିଁ. Number 30. What was your reaction when he came back after 5 years? 5 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଆସିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ରିଆକ୍ସନ୍ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? Overwhelmed, clasped the author in the arms and said prayers, happy, sentimental. B. Clasped the author in the arms and said prayer. 30 ଆମେ କଭର କଲେ, ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱିକ୍ ରାଉଣ୍ଡରେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ କେତେ 30ରୁ କାହାର 5 ରହିଲା, କାହାର 10 ରହିଲା, କାହାର ପୁରା 30 ରହିଲା. ନିଜକୁ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଆକ୍ସେସ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆଉଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ 30 କେତେ ମାର୍କ ରଖିଲେ? Good, I can see. ଯୋଉମାନେ କାଲକୁଲେଟ୍ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କରିକି ରଖନ୍ତୁ. ଏବେ 31 କୁ ଯିବା. What was grandmother's reaction when the author was going abroad? Happy, sad, not even sentimental, sentimental. My dear friends, এটা repeat ହେଲା, not even sentimental. Did the author bother to learn the morning prayer? Again repeated. He listened but did not bother to learn. रिपीट करछि जानि शुनिकी सो दैट आपण माने एठी जिनिसको ऑटोमेटिक लेखंतु. हाउ डू यू feel about the character of the grandmother in the chapter? Emotional, strong, selfless, loving. How did the sparrows express their sorrow at the death of their grandmother? They came and sat silently. What did the grandmother do in the final hours? जोमाने आगुर पढ़िछन सेमाने इजिली करदेबे. Silently praying and telling her beads. What happened when the grandmother did not pray for the first time? She fell ill the next day. What happened when the author moved abroad to study for 5 years? A. Grandmother did goodbye by silently kissing his forehead. Repeat होउची जानिछि. How did the grandmother spend her time in the city? City रे क्यों भली भाबरे ना spinning the wheel. Very good. ଆଉ ଦୁଇ ତିନୋଟି repeat କରିବି ତାପରେ ଛାଡ଼ିଦବା. What made the grandfather unhappy about the author's new English school? This is not repeated. The fact that she could no longer help him with the lessons. Yes, again repeated. Sorry. Now, question number 40. What was the turning point of the friendship between grandmother and author? When his parents called them both to the city. Where were the parents of the author? City रे ଥିଲେ. Last 10ଟା question ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଥିଲି repeat କରିଥିଲି ଆପଣ ମାନେ को revise ପାଇଁ. What did the author eat for breakfast? Again, this one. Thick and stale chapatis with a little butter and sugar spread in it. Thank you very much, my dear friends. ଏଇଟା ଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ପ୍ରୟାସ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ପୋର୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଲେଡିର MCQ କରିବା ପାଇଁ. ସମସ୍ତ ଟପିକ୍ର MCQ ଆଣିବି. ଯୋଉଟା ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ ଦୟାକରି ତାକୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଥରେ. ପ୍ରାୟ ଆମେ 5ଟି ଖଣ୍ଡେ କରିସାରିଲେଣି MCQ. ତାକୁ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଚେକ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ. ଆଗାମୀ ଦିନରେ ସେଗୁଡିର ସବୁ ପାର୍ଟ 2 ମଧ୍ୟ ଆସିବ. ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ. ଯଦି ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ହେଲ୍ପଫୁଲ୍ ହେଇଥିବ ଲାଇକ୍ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ଆଉ ସେୟାର କରିବା କନସିଡର କରିବେ. ସେୟାର କରନ୍ତୁ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ. କିଏ ଜାଣେ କାହାର ଲାଭରେ ଆପଣ ଆସିପାରିବେ. ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ଭେରି ମଚ୍ ମ୍ୟାଡମ୍.